Welcome to Digital Toolbox. This is part 8 of the Farnsworth House case study, and I'm going to go in and add a sublayer under Windows, and I'm going to actually say the window outlines, and I'm going to make this color purple, and I'm going to change these outlines to that layer. So now I can hide those outlines when I don't need them. And now we're gonna create the entrance. So I need a guideline from corner to corner. I'm gonna make sure that I'm on the window outlines. I'm gonna drag it across. So now we go to the top view, and I'm gonna turn off my solids. So here's our line, and I'm gonna create a 6-foot entrance. So I'm gonna find the midpoint. I'm gonna go 3 feet in each direction. And I'm going to join the 6-foot line, the 3-foot line together. So now what we can do is we will do the same as the back end glass walls. We're just going to create a 9'6" wall. So I'm going to type in -9'6". Didn't lock in correctly right there. So there's our 3 panes. And if we want, we can actually go in and create the actual 2 doors. And delete that curve. So now I'm going to offset this by 1 inch. And you can base the door off the pictures that we can find online. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to really make a simple door, just 1 offset, and the other ones I'll continue the pattern of having a 1 inch offset and then a 1/2 inch offset. And I'm gonna actually take the doors and I'm gonna offset them in 1.5 inches. Alright, so now we're ready to extrude these curves. Two inches on the most outside. And then the second set, we're going to extrude 3 inches. And as for the door, I'm just going to extrude 2 inches as well. And then for the panes, I'm going to take all the most inside curves. And I'm going to extrude them 0.25 of an inch. Going to perspective. Pick all my panes. move them into the center. And pick my outside ones. And move them to the midpoint also. And then select all my solids. And I'm going to move it into the window layer. I'm gonna highlight the window layer and then turn off my window outlines. Select all my windows except for the entrance, the door. And I'm gonna group them. And then the door, I think I'm gonna group them together as one. So now I'll go into my right view, or my front view, and I'm going to rotate this up as well. And then I'm going to move them into position. So now if when we decide to render this, we can open or close the doors and counting on how we want to display the Farnsworth House. So that's how you create the entrance, and thanks for watching.